guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable AI shortcut recommendations on your Android phone in Google Chrome. So go ahead and open up your Google Chrome, guys, and then you want to go ahead and click the three dots on the upper right hand side and go to your settings. From here, scroll down to where you'll have the option that says Toolbar shortcut. You tap on that. From here, you want to choose the first option in the list that says based on your usage, right? You will have the AI option that's going to recommend what you do or what you want to do, right? Let's put it like that. If I go back to my tabs here and just open up a new page, let me go ahead and open up a page here. Let's say I want to go to this web page here. You can see that it thinks that most of the times I'm opening up new tabs, and you can think that that's maybe true because if you look towards the right hand side, I have 14 tabs open there. So the AI is just thinking that maybe I want to open up a new tab, maybe I want to do something. So if there was a different case that I like to bookmark stuff or I like to use the voice search, it will definitely recommend that for me instead. But that's how you go ahead and enable AI shortcut on Google Chrome, guys.